ओके, सांस लो, बाहर, I am Dr. Sudarshan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with people who need it. You had COVID?
No.
बाहर, सांस लो, बाहर, ओके, सांस लो, बाहर, 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 awesome, सांस लो, बाहर, yeah, awesome, breathe out, super. अभी एल्बोस को थोड़ा नीचे करना, ठीक है? सेम क्रॉस बना के रखो, तो सांस लो, बाहर, बाहर, ये बाहर निकलने के लिए कुछ नहीं, बाहर, सांस लो, बाहर, इधर नीचे, हाँ, घर पे रह के वॉक करने का नहीं? Is this fine? This was the leg there, right?
Right.
Okay, that was nice. Easy.
I could actually feel it.
This is painful. This is where you have.
Pain is here.
Yeah. Easy. This is painful.
No. Compared to.
Easy. Nice. Breathe out. Loose. Okay, I'll take you back like this. Okay, you just relax, be comfortable. Okay, elbows closer. Closer.
Hi, my name is Shruti Thakur, and I got to know about Dr. Sudarshan while I was looking for a physiotherapy online, and I started following him on Instagram. Every day the new video gave me all the more motivation to come here, meet him, and get myself through this session to understand what exactly the body alignment is, because my body kept giving me signals that maybe I need an alignment. Today I had a session done with him, the very first session, and I can say that I have some happy hormones released in my body because I am really feeling light. If not by weight, but at least within me I am feeling light.